Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and do the motivation math for today, Tuesday, and we'll start with problem number 1. Isaac made fudge for his grandmother. He cut the fudge into 1-inch cubes and began packing the cubes into a container as shown. Isaac wants to know how many cubes will fill the container. Write an equation Isaac could use, then find the number of cubes that will fill Isaac's container. So we already know that volume is equal to length times width times height, okay? And so that means that we have to figure out what the length is. So if you count these cubes right here in the front, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your length is 6. If you count the width, you've got these 2 cubes right here, that's 2. And then the height is these columns, this column right here, and that's 4. So we're going to multiply those numbers together first. So 6 times 2 is 12, and then 12 times 4 is 48. So your answer to number 1 would be 48. Okay? All right, number 2. Hector solved a problem. The puzzle was a large cube made of smaller cubes, as shown in this model. Each small cube represents 1 cubic unit. Write a formula that can be used to find the volume of the puzzle. Use the formula to find the volume of the puzzle. So again, volume is equal to length times width times height. So this is a cube, which means that the length, width, and height are all going to be the same. So if we count these cubes down here to find the length, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And because we know it's a cube, the width is going to be 6, and so is the height. So then we have 6 times 6, which is 36. And then 36 times 6, sorry about that, that's 6, 36. 6 plus times 3 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. So your answer would be 216 here. Okay? All right, number 3. Speedy Print Shop received a shipment of paper. The warehouse manager stacked the boxes of paper as shown in the diagram. Each box has a volume of 1 cubic foot. Using B to represent the area of the base and H to represent the height, write a formula that can be used to find the volume of the stack. Use the formula to find the volume of the stack. Well, we have to find the area of the base. So that means that we have to multiply the length of the base, which is 3. So we're going to find the base by multiplying 3 times the width of the base, which is 4. I'm sorry, that's not right. Sorry, let's back up. Hold on. Okay, so let's do that one more time. Sorry about that. So the base is going to be the length, which is 4, times the width, which is 3, so the base is 12. Okay? Now, the height is going to be how tall it is, so that's 3, which means you're going to take the base, the area of the base, times the height, which is really the length times the width times the height, and that will give you 12 times 3, which is 36. Okay? All right, and finally, number 4, Jerry builds a model of a cube. The base of the cube is shown below. Each small cube represents 1 square centimeter. Write a formula that can be used to find the volume of Jerry's cube. So remember, one more time, volume is equal to length times width times height. So they already told you this is a cube, right? And because it's a cube, that means the length, width, and height are all going to be the same, right? So let's count what the length is. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if the length is 9 and it's a cube, the width is going to be 9 and the height is going to be 9. So let's do this math right here. 9 times 9 is 81, right? That's a basic fact. Times 9, that's 9. 9 times 8 is 72. So your final answer should be 729. Okay? So when you're watching this, you can record it, you can rewind, fast forward, stop, do some work, and you should be able to stop it if you need to. Okay? All right. Again, put a message in the discussion piece or send me a message through Schoology and let me know if you have any questions. Okay? Bye.